Hello everyone and welcome to Nutrilicious Meals. We would like our kids to have best of both, an authentic as well as a healthy diet. So for this Raksha Bandhan, I was thinking to combine an authentic traditional dish and giving it a healthy touch by using a mundane veggie along with Nutrela soya granules. And to help me with that, I have my bowl here. Remember this, right? It's brinjal. So let's begin with the recipe for Soya Litti Chokha with a twist of my own. For making the chokha, I have my brinjal here. I'm going to score it, stuff some garlic cloves, and now this is ready to go on the griller. Also place 2 tomatoes, turn on the flame and let this grill on medium heat. Keep turning them around and then grill it. For the stuffing, I'm using Nutrela soya granules, which contains 52% of protein, making it a wholesome meal perfect for kids. In boiling hot water, add in 1 cup of soya granules. Give it a stir and boil this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes are up and the granules are cooked. Let's strain it. Give it a good rinse. Squeeze out all the excess water. These are beautifully charred. Let's turn off the flame and remove it in a bowl. Cover it with some cling film to soften the skin. Let's quickly make the filling for the litti. The granules are also ready, and now into this I'm going to add in some spices. Half a teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon raw mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. You know, I like my spices to be aromatic and fresh, and Patanjali is my go-to brand. And now into this I'm going to add in some fresh ingredients. Add in 1 onion finely chopped, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies finely chopped, coriander leaves, salt to taste. Add in a tablespoon of spicy mango pickle. In this, I need 2 tablespoons of sarson ka tel. So I'm using Nutrela mustard oil, which is packed with omega-3. Give it a good mix. Nutrela soya granules is known for its softness and rich texture since it's chemical-free. And as you can see, the stuffing is ready. The dough for the litti's outer covering is ready. I've taken 1.5 cups of wheat flour, half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, salt and a pinch of soda. Add in water and make a normal roti dough. So this is ready, and now let's start shaping the littis. Take a small portion of the dough, make a ball, make a depression. Into this, let's stuff the soya mixture. Bring all the ends together. Seal the ends and make a round ball. In this way, shape all the littis. Grease the baking tray. Place the littis in the tray. Grease them with oil as well. The littis can be made in the pressure cooker. Grease them, place them in the pressure cooker without the vent valve for 25 to 30 minutes. Just toss them once in the middle. But I'm going to bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for around 30 minutes. While the littis are baking, let's quickly prep up the chokha. So now, remove the cling wrap, peel the skin out. Chop the tomatoes roughly. Mash the brinjal and the tomatoes finely. Into this, add in 1 boiled and mashed potato. Mash this as well. Let's grease and flip the littis once and let it bake again. Into the mash, add in 1 onion finely chopped, 5 green chilies finely chopped, a handful of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of black salt, juice of half a lemon, drizzle 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Mix all these ingredients together. The chokha is ready. And the last step is to bring out the Nutrela littis, cool them down for 5 minutes and then grill them. 5 minutes are up. Let's place them on the grill. Turn on the flame. Once they char, flip them over. The soya stuffed littis with the chatpata chokha is ready. If your every snack hack to feed your children with this veggie has failed, I'm sure this is going to surpass all of it. Do try this recipe at home, comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food, and I'll see you soon with another veggie from my bowl along with Nutrela soya. For a Nutrilicious way of life, do check out the Insta handle, myNutrela. Bye-bye.